Tayo po ay naririto at pinadala ni Secretary Rex Gatchalian upang iparating ang mga bagong programa ng DSWD dito sa Central Visayas.
What you gonna do when they shine a light down on you? What you gonna do when they shine a light down on you? The future is golden, the future is gold. The future is golden, the future is gold. Automatic all the way to the top, alright. The future is golden, the future is gold. The future is gold, the future is golden.
Today's activity is more than a showcase of programs. It is a celebration of innovation, partnership, and community action in addressing hunger, malnutrition, and poverty among Filipino families.
I-address natin ang kagutuman through the Walang Gutom program. We are addressing illiteracy through the Tara Basa Tutoring program, and we are addressing mendicancy through the Pag-abot program, to mention a few. No? At the core of all of these efforts is a very simple idea that innovation isn't just about doing something new or introducing something new. It's about finding better and more effective ways of serving our people, especially the most vulnerable.
I'm going up in the air. I'm walking on gold rays. I'm going
Programs like the DSWD Innovations Caravan remind us that meaningful change happens when government, communities, and partners work together with compassion and purpose.
all together.
So again, this is a very good step by the DSWD and for coming up with innovations in order to help us tabangan ta kitang mga ang atong mindset ang karaan pa. Looking into your faces, mga karaan na mo. So karaan pang atong ginuna. Now there are other ways of doing things. There are other ways of cooking our vegetables, and there are other ways of presenting our food in order to make it attractive. Ni mas ganahan ang mga bata masustansya pa, di magutom, plus napay innovation.
And this caravan is also important because it provides a platform for collaboration between the national and the local governments in bringing better programs for our countrymen. Ang bilin po sa amin ni Pangulong Bongbong ay pag nag-i-implement tayo ng national programs sa baba, very important ang collaboration with the local government. Hindi po magiging successful ang mga programa namin kung hindi kami nakikipagtulungan sa local governments.